Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's tutorial, guys, I'll be guiding you on how to fix, a pending transfer issue in Cash App. So let's dive right in, guys. So first things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up a Cash App on your phone and just log in, okay? And navigate to the Activity tab by tapping on the clock icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, guys, you're going to be seeing, a list of all your transactions, including any that are marked as pending. So you basically want to just tap on the pending transactions to view more details. Often, Cash App provides a reason for the delay, like, for example, insufficient funds, connection issues, or a security check. So if the app suggests you a specific action, like, verifying your identity or re entering the payment details, just follow the on screen prompts to just resolve the issue. And if you're having, connectivity issues, connectivity problems, what you can do, guys, is you can ensure that you have a stable internet connection and try again. You can also restart the app or your device. Just switch from either Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, right? And guys, if the pending status is still persists, guys, what you can do is you can just contact Cash App support and go to your profile settings. You scroll down to support and just report the issue, and basically they will assist in resolving the transaction, guys. And that's it, guys. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfers issue on Cash App. And if you guys have found this video helpful, smash that like button, guys, as well as subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions so I can see you guys next time.